In today's video, I am going to teach you how to organize your Notion using Para method. Start by opening Notion and heading to the Getting Started page. This is a helpful launch point because it gives you quick access to Notion features and the template marketplace, where you can add ready-made systems to your workspace without building everything from scratch. Once you are on the Getting Started page, click Explore. This takes you into the area where Notion highlights templates and categories. From here, click Search, so you can quickly find the Para templates. In the search field, type Highlight. This helps narrow the results, so the Para options are easier to spot. Next, click on Para method in the results. You are now viewing a category page that groups templates built around the Para organization system, which stands for Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archives. This method works well in Notion because it gives you a consistent structure for tasks, notes, and ongoing responsibilities. On the category page, click Highlight again, then click Free. Filtering to free templates keeps the list focused and makes it faster to pick a starting template without sorting through paid options. After you select Free, click Highlight once more to apply that filter view. Now find and click Second Brain Para method. This opens the template page where you can add the system into your own Notion. Click Add again, and when prompted, choose New Team Space. This creates a dedicated space so the Para setup stays organized and separate from your other pages. After it is added, click See Template. This brings you into the actual workspace layout so you can start navigating the system. At the top, click Quick Action, then click Tasks. This area is designed to help you capture and manage what you need to do, which is useful when you want a central place to track actions across projects. Next, click Navigation so you can move through the main Para sections. Click Projects to view active outcomes you are working toward. Click Resources for reference material and notes you may want to reuse. Finally, click Areas for ongoing responsibilities you maintain over time. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.